Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. Okay guys, so let's jump into today's video. Today's video, I am going to be doing a cute, simple hairstyle on my hair. I got this inspiration from this girl on Instagram. Her name is Deja Janae, and she got her inspiration from someone else. Don't ask me. But as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be doing 2 jumbo braids, and I thought it was so cute and simple to do, and I just wanted to try it. I have never did any style like that before, but I thought it was so cute, so I wanted to try it out. And plus, I haven't did a hairstyle on my channel in a while now, so I just wanted to do that. I always do like little fun things with my own hair, or even do like wigs or clip-ins, as you can see on my channel. So today I wanted to do something different and switch it up and actually do a hairstyle on my channel, so stay tuned for that. But so I got this pre-stretched hair from the beauty supply store. I probably didn't even need all of this hair, but I don't know, you never know. So free tresses braid pre-stretched hair. So let's see how this comes out, guys. Y'all, so don't judge me. I still haven't washed my hair since I've gotten it blow dried and washed and whatever at the hair salon, but my hair is still, you know, okay. I mean, honestly, this is the longest I have went without washing my hair. I always wash my hair every week, but like I said, don't judge me. I don't know. Okay, let's get this part going. Y'all know I am not good at parts. Well, if you're new to my channel, I am not good at doing parts. And if you are an OG to my channel, y'all already know my parts be looking cray. So if y'all see me out and this part is crooked, just know I don't care. Oh my God. Oh. So instead of having the simple jumbo braids, of course, I wanted to have the crisscross section with the rubber bands in my hair. And that was a trial and error. As you can see, when I first did it, it was frizzy, and I had to take everything out and redo it, apply some beeswax just so that my hair can be slicked down. Guys, I cannot stand frizz, especially on a new hairstyle that I'm doing. I took it out and I redid it, and like I said, I applied the beeswax. I would take out any hairstyle if it's frizzy. I cannot stand frizz, or if my hair just doesn't look right, I would take it out. So that's what I did, and this little trial and error crisscross section finally came out how I wanted it to, because if it didn't, guys, so this whole hairstyle was basically an epic fail, a trial error or whatever. I have done a jumbo braid before, but just one jumbo braid ponytail. So I'm not sure why this just was not working out for me. So I have watched tutorials before. You place the braiding hair onto your hair with a rubber band, attach it to your bun, braid it first, and then flip it over. And do not braid the braids so tight, just loosen up so that it can cover your bun. I'm not sure if my bun was just too big, it wasn't small enough. I'm not sure, but it was just not working for me. And for me, I like to show you guys everything. So I put this in a video just to show you, like, all my hairstyles do not come out perfect. They're not always cute. So this was definitely a trial and error for me. Like, the crisscross section was a trial and error. Doing this braid was a trial and error. It was just a struggle, and I was just getting so upset. I literally was just not going to do this video anymore. That's how upset I was, because it was just not coming out right for some reason. I was just like, okay, you know what? Just forget it. But I was just like, no, I want to finish this video. I want to finish this style because it's a cute style, even though my forehead is so exposed to the world. Don't tell me y'all ain't see that forehead. Anyways, but so what I ended up doing was just feeding in the braiding hair and just braiding down and just creating my own little braids, because trying to do it the other way was just not successful. So as you can see, I'm just feeding in the braiding hair and just doing that as I go further down, because I just felt like that was so much easier. I just struggled with the braiding hair, trying to braid it on my own, and it was just whatever. It was just not working out. Let me just say that. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair. So yes, absolutely love how my hair came out, even though it took a minute for me to do a cute little simple hairstyle that I thought it was going to take about 30 minutes to an hour to do. End up taking hours to complete, because I kept taking this out and then redoing this braid. So no, I took this out once because it was frizzy and I do not like frizz at all. So I took it out and I just redid it. And then the braid, what you're supposed to do is attach the braiding hair to your hair with the rubber band still attached. Then once you braid it, flip it over. It's supposed to cover your bun of your hair. It was not working. I don't know what was going on. I was gonna give up, and this was not about to be a video. But what I ended up doing was just feeding in the braiding hair with my hair to create these braids. So I wanted them to be a little bit bigger, but it still came out cute. It is what it is because I wasn't about to restart it. This is cute. It came out cute. That's why I said it came out better than expected. So like I said, a cute little simple hairstyle turned into like a struggle hairstyle, but ended up being a cute hairstyle. Anyways, would I do it again? No way. But this is the final results of the hair. Boom. Probably because I do not do hairstyles like that, just really simple hairstyles, in which I thought this was simple. So, but whatever. Final results. I do thank you guys for watching, hanging in there with my struggle hairstyle. I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.